All right, so if we keep looking at this, again, you are finding the distance here, right? You are finding the distance here. So if we make our triangle, right? If we connect those 2 points using those lines and make that triangle, then we can count the boxes. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 left to right. So when we go to the bottom, oh, I forgot my right angle. So there's my right angle. That is my C. So then when I go to the bottom, I will have my one leg squared, my other leg squared, and C squared. 6 squared is 36. 4 squared is 16. And that equals C squared. What is 36 plus 16? What is 36 plus 16? Good, 54. I'm sorry, 52. My bad. Y'all were right. Struggle is real. Then when I take the square root of 52, I get 7.2 units. I get 7.2 units. So we're going to look at the last two now, okay, on the next page. This time, it's only the dots. So we not only need to add our hypotenuse, right? That diagonal distance, but we also need to add and make our right triangle. So make those legs, and then we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our 2 legs are 4 and 8. 4 squared is 16. 8 squared is 64. 64 plus 16 is 80. So we have 80 equals C squared. Take the square root, and we end up with 8.9 units. We end up with 8.9 units. Okay? For the last one, we need to do the same thing. Draw that slanted line, that one that we're going to have to find the distance for. Then, just like we've been doing the past few times, we're going to need to make our legs, right? We're going to have to get those 2 legs up and down, left to right. Okay? So, we are finding this distance right here. That is our C. Up and down is 1, 2, 3, 4. Across here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then we move down here. We have 4 squared plus 6 squared equals C squared. 4 squared is 16. 6 squared is 36. And then C squared. If you add those two together, you get 52. And that equals c squared. And then when you take the square root of both sides, you get 7.2. And that is your final answer. Now you're going to work on sum alone.